add custom sounds to Discord Soundboard. If you want to add custom sounds to your Discord Soundboard, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go back from your Discord application and then go with your browser and open Discord on your browser. Now, once you get this kind of interface, you need to make sure that you are on your desktop side. You need to go with the three dots and then enable the desktop side option. Now, here you need to tap on Open Discord in your browser. Now, once you've logged into your Discord account, you need to go with your Discord server. In my case, I'll just simply go and select a server. Now, this is my Discord server. You need to just simply click on the server name, which will be in the top left, and then go with server settings. Once you're in your server settings, here on the left side, you will have a soundboard option. Tap on Soundboard. Then click on Upload Sound, which is on the right side. After that, you need to go and choose a file. You can go with Browse, which will be on the right side, and then browse the file. Enter the sound name, and then a related emoji, and then sound volume. After that, go with Upload, which will be on the right side. After you've added the sound or uploaded the sound, now you can go back to your Discord application, and then you can enter your voice channel, and you should be able to see your custom sound effect added. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.